So as we have seen both with Fiverr, with People Per Hour, and with Upwork.com, freelancers are actually making tons of money with their Google certifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online up to $100 an hour using your Google certifications. As much as there already existed need for people who can set up Google ad campaigns, there's bound to be an influx of need for people who can provide this kind of services. And with lots of business suddenly coming online for the first time and many others that were already online, there's already going to be a lot more competition for businesses online than there was before. And that's where you come in. So it doesn't matter whether you are already skilled in setting up Google ads, for instance. You can simply go to the Google skills room and learn how to run these campaigns. And the best part is that this is free of charge. And I'm going to show you, once you have become Google certified for the different courses, where do you get the jobs? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel I share with you videos about making money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world. I also share videos about working remotely as well as working from home. Google has an online/digital academy where they offer different classifications for the different products and services that they provide. As you can see here, there's Google Ads, there's Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, there's Google My Business, and there's Wiz. And the best part about it is that they are all free of charge. And you do not need like months to be able to complete these certifications. As we are going to learn once we head over to my computer, some of these certifications take as little as 4 hours, others take like 3 hours for you to do the different modules. And for example, if you dedicate like even a week or two to getting certified, you can actually complete most of these certifications, and then immediately you start making money online. For your first step towards getting Google certified, you want to log on to the website skillshop.withgoogle.com. Once you get on this website, you are going to find the different certificates that you can get certified on. And I would suggest that you start with Google Ad certifications, because this is something that most businesses are currently looking for. So let's check the Google Ads and see what the details and the requirements are. So obviously, as you see down here, the Google Ad certification shows your mastery of Google Ads, and you get certified in search, in display, in video, in shopping ads, and measurement. So as you can see down here, you can take pretty much less than a week to complete your certification. So for the Google Ads display certification, it takes about 2.6 hours. And then we have the Google Ads search certification, which is 3.7 hours. And Google Ads measurement certification is 4.7. Google Ads video certification is 4 hours. And Google Ads apps certification is 2.8 hours. And let's click on this Google Ads display certification and see exactly what it entails. Once you have completed your training, you get to do an assessment, which is about 1.3 hours. And if you pass, you earn a certification, right? So now you've already become Google certified. You have gone through the different courses. So for example, you have learned, you have gone through the Google Ads Manager course, and now you're ready to hit the ground running. So where do you get your job? So Once you become Google certified, simply update your LinkedIn profile with your new certificate and let people know that, hey, Eva Mtali is now Google Ads campaign manager certified, and I can be able to launch your campaign and run it successfully. You can also set up your own website and let people know that I offer these digital marketing courses, for instance, and proudly plaster your certifications as well. And while you start, it may be a little daunting at the beginning. You can choose to provide your services, for example, to your friends or to your family, or even run your own campaign for you to learn the ropes and to know exactly how to go about running the business aspect, and then list this as a portfolio item. Alternatively, there's different online platforms whereby you can decide to list your expertise and hopefully pitch different clients. So we are talking about Upwork.com, we are talking about Fiverr.com, there's peopleperhour.com, and so many other freelancing websites out there. And let's just take a look at Upwork.com, for instance, to get a glimpse of how much Google Ads certified freelancers are currently charging for their services. Let's go to the freelancers. So Google Ads. And down here, we have Zianis Z, who's a digital marketing expert. And you can see his specialty is Google Ads and Facebook Ads and Google Analytics. This is basically the certifications that Google is currently offering free of charge. And the Zianis also has 100% job success rate, and he charges $70 an hour, has earned over 400,000 US dollars. We have Erin, who currently charges $125 an hour. So let's take a look. It's Google Ads. Google advertising help. He did 20 hours and he just did, this is like 2 days work or 3 days work at $125 an hour. Let's look at somebody else. We have Timothy here, who's currently an expert in AdWords, Facebook, Bing, and pay-per-click expert. He's charging $80 an hour, 100% job success, and has earned $1 million US dollars plus. And as you can see, his main specialty is Google AdWords. You can see it's Google AdWords is charging $95 an hour. Google Ad Pro to streamline to Google accounts is charging $95 an hour. We have AdWords optimization, $80 an hour. Google Ads Expert, $95 an hour. You can see Google Ads, $2,000 US dollars. Google Ads and Google Ads for hotels, $65 an hour. So I'm now here on the Fiverr.com platform, and we are going to look for Google Ads. There's about 3,353 service providers, and their offering is Google Ads and pay-per-click campaign. So let's take a look at this level 2 seller. We have this lady, I think, or is it a gentleman? BC Media will set up a high quality Google and YouTube ad with great results, and she's starting at 55 US. We have Sanjay here, who is also, and you can see she has 79 US, she's had 79 sales. And then we have Sanjay here, who will manage and optimize your Google Ads pay-per-click campaigns and starting at 100 US dollars. We have Zima Media, who will set up and optimize your Google Ad pay-per-click campaigns, has had 85 sales, and you can see that they are pro verified. We also have Tim Till here, who's had 891 sales and is basically setting up and managing your Google Ads pay-per-click campaigns. There's also this other guy who's set up and managed profitable Google Ads you will like, has had 58 sales, and is starting at 350 US dollars. I have just gone to the people per hour page. So I'm gonna search for projects, any Google AdWords projects that are currently running, and let's see if what the current offers are and what proposals the owners are expecting. So as you can see here, there's this Google ad audit, and they are they're willing to pay $125 a fixed price. We have here Google Ads Management, $179 fixed price. We have Google Ads Keywords, $63 fixed price. We have SEO and Google Ads, $331. We have Google Ads Conversion Issues. Someone has an issue and they're willing to pay $152. We have a Google Ads Paid Search Consultant who is willing to pay $31 an hour. And as you can see, there's different, there's this person who needs Google AdWords expert for e-commerce industry, and they're willing to pay $300. We even have this person who needs Google Ads and a website, and they're willing to pay $1,300. So as you can see, just by doing these Google certifications, you can actually make tons of money. Well guys, that's it for today in how you can make money online using your free Google certifications. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye.